You ever see one of those names and you go, that name's just cool, no matter how you cut it?
Yeah.
Like, that's just it. Like, you just read a name and you go, that's a cool name.
First and last.
I want to introduce everybody to Beckett Storm. Beckett, you have one of the coolest names, kid, that I have read in a long, long time. And I want to wish you a happy 7th birthday. Beckett is in Jasper.
All right. Wyatt Stanley, turning 10 years old this year. Wyatt is in Arcadia, Kansas.
Oh, we got a teenager. Because Jackson Hamilton is going from 12 to 13. Jackson, a very happy birthday to you. And congrats on making it to the teenage. Tanya likes to say, welcome to the teenage years. Look, I got 2 kids of my own. As Jackson, I say, congratulations on making it to the teenage years.
There you go. All right, we've got Mr. Joe Bond turning 38 years old this year. Looks like he got a few flying friends there too. In Humboldt, got a note here that says he's currently working in Guyman, Oklahoma. We've got love coming to you from mom and dad, wife Krista, and children Jarek, Kaylin, Kenley, and Jace.
Joe, I hope you have a chance to see this, and I hope you get a chance to come home, spend some time with family as well. Terry Hawkins Jr., he is celebrating his 40th birthday to the THJ. Have a happy birthday to you, my man.
All right, we've got...
What?
We got Dr. Mindy Gardner.
What's up, Doc?
Celebrating birthday number 49, looking as lovely as ever. Happy birthday, Mindy.
Happy birthday, Doctor. Margie Franklin turning 59. Margie, she is celebrating in Pittsburgh.
Linda Dayhoff celebrating double sixes this year. Happy birthday, Linda. Hope it's a great one.
Run out to Fredonia, and that's where Susan Voorhees is celebrating birthday. Susan, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come from your granddaughter, Christina.
All right, and we've got a 68th anniversary for the Carrolls. Congrats going out to Jesse and Mary Carroll. They are in Chautauqua. Congratulations,
Jesse and Mary. And who that is? She personifies KOM. This is Jill Nelson, folks. Tons of you already know Jill. Her title is traffic director. Her unofficial title, she ranks up there with me with second mom since I've been here. And also too, the great thing about life is that sometimes you need to smile a little bit, you need to laugh a little bit, and what you do is you walk down to Jill's office and you sit there and you don't even wait for Jill to tell a joke or anything. You just walk in. Jill's always got a smile on her face, and it puts a smile on your face. And for some reason, the traffic department here, they're the ones that schedule the commercials and whatnot. And you have no idea how busy they are each and every day, folks. But the nice thing is you just walk down to Jill's office, and even though they're swamped, you walk out with a smile on your face. That's why I absolutely love and adore this woman. And
plus,
Jill,
she makes amazing brownies.
I'm sorry, go ahead, babe.
She makes amazing brownies, too.
Yeah, that is true. No doubt.
Yes. All right, and her birthday's, we're celebrating on a Monday, but we're going to be celebrating all week long for Jill.
We are?
Yes.
All right.
I just said we are. Yes.
Wait a second. What are we doing for the month of August? Let's just keep celebrating Jill's birthday.
Okay.
Let's
sure.
Take it all over. Happy birthday, Jill.
We've got Sam Pierce turning 24 years old in Miami, Oklahoma. Christy Bruning celebrating birthday number 41. Christy's in Farlington, Kansas.
Jerry York is the uncle of our graphic artist, Will York. And Jerry, a happy birthday to you. And I will let Will explain why we do not have a picture. I will just pass that along to Will and put the onus on him. So happy birthday, Jerry. And, the Topman's got it. Look at this.
50.
Richard, congratulations. And Rita, you for 50 years. That is amazing because I know Richard and I love Richard to death. And the fact that Rita's run that family for 50 years, that's a testament to you, Rita. And congratulations, 50 years. That is absolutely amazing. The Topmans are in Mulberry. Richard, I hope I see you soon, my man. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. This is where you can send them into birthdays at komtv.com. And don't forget, please, just a friendly reminder, make sure you put the specific day on which you would like it to run, or You can also go to komnewsnow.com and click on the birthdays link and submit them that way. As a matter of fact, while you're on the website, you may be interested in something because Tanya Bach has a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. Why don't you become a member of the KOAM Birthday Club? All you have to do is go to the website to sign up. Once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to komnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.